Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is again on the same topic of Erica. Now, he's saying if anyone has seen the homeless people, you know, gotten $12 million worth of food, if they have been fed $12 million worth of food, that's what Dwayne is saying. Now, he's a diet, he's going into this because he's doing is deep investigation, as in to find out what's going on and how much money was sent to Erica and how it was used. So he's tackling that. And as you know, this is an ongoing saga and will continue to be until they get down to the bottom of this because they started a petition, and that petition is you know, to close her down or to get her, you know, to get legal, to get her, legally. So it's a lot that's going on now with Erica, the landlord, and Dwayne is, as he said yesterday, he's going to stand on it. He's still not going to stop until everything is gone through the hands of the law. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. And for all those newcomers, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so that when I post, you know. And have yourselves a lovely day, lovelies.
Come here! Have any of you seen those people being fed 12 million Jamaican dollars worth of food? And you people don't see something wrong with this? If one is scamming, what are the others doing? What are the others doing? Let us talk about that. If this one just came to light, 12 million, and we are sure as a judge, unequivocally, without a shadow of doubt, from what we've seen on social media, those food has not totaled 12 million Jamaican dollars. 12 million can buy one house. 12 million can buy one house. And left money, 12 million. And you people don't see something wrong with this? Angela Merchant, I know you think you've got away with it, but darling, the race is not for the swift, but for those who can endure this race. The race is not for the swift. Angela Merchant of St. Margaret's Way, Portland, hear me and hear me well. The race is not for the swift, but for those who can endure this race. My question to you is, will you get away with this illicit scamming activity? Not just you, but your pyramid scheme people. Pretty Shouts, Ever Blessed Mel, Mama Joyce, and obviously the person who was collecting your funds. Oh, Kerry Ann, Audrey, and the person who was collecting your funds. I'm sorry to throw you in the mix, Emma High Grade, but Sharon High Grade, but you are in the mix too, darling, because you damn well knew Angela Merchant was not feeding those people all that money. But yet, so you still continued, right? Two wrongs don't make it right. So don't think, not because you've now exposed the ring. Yes, absolutely. You will be, credit will be given to you for exposing this illicit activity. However, I can assure you, based on those numbers, darling, you won't get away that easy. You have to pay a penalty too. I'm very sorry. Enough of them are show up now. People, my fellow Jamaican brothers and sisters, whether you are up in age or not, whether you are up in age or whether you're older than me or not, whether you're older than me, let's be real. We are out of one. You know, that motto, out of many one people, which makes us all one. One. United we stand. United we stand. Divided we will fall. If we continue to allow these type of illicit activities happening on social media, I can assure you we are all doomed. Imagine one woman, an ex-prostitute, was able to solicit more than $12 million out of all of our pockets, your hard-earned money, with the help of others, obviously, with the help of others, because let's be real, a lot of them did endorse Angela Merchant. A lot of them did. And I don't care what una say, una could have balang, una could have drown herself, una endorse her. All of you endorse it. You know yourself by name. I will not call your names, but all of you know yourselves. You endorse this woman's scamming activities. And I'm very sure you all damn well knew this woman was a scammer. Because I'm very sure on the north side, this woman begging Sunday to Sunday and feeding these people one time out of the week. Onega support! Onega support! What exactly was it supporting? Her scamming activity? That's what I'm asking. What exactly was these people meant to go and support? Her illicit scamming activity? The fact this woman comes out here every day and beg like dog, like she's blind. She begs like she's blind. And she damn well knows she is feeding on people chicken back. Chicken back. I look her aisle. I look her rice. I look her mixed veg. Make it look pretty. You people don't see something wrong with this? I have a question, and I don't care how people want to feel about this, but I really have to ask this question. Plankabas, I have to ask you this question. Plankabas, I'm very sorry to throw you in the mix. I'm very, very sorry to throw you in the mix. However, now that this is all coming to light now, how do you feel? Knowing damn well you sent a lot of my ex-brothers and sisters, you sent a lot of my ex-brothers and sisters to go and support this woman's scamming activity, right? You knew, Plankabas, you knew we came out here and we exposed this woman for using charitable donations. We exposed her for using charitable donations to buy a vehicle. You knew about it. So my question to you, Plankabas, I don't, people do not think I'm coming at their sides, but I really have to ask this question. Plankabas, why did you send my brothers and my sisters? Because let's be, we were all one. We were all cheering for the same team. We're all batting for the same side. Which means, Plankabas, why did you send my brothers and sisters to go and support this woman's illicit scamming activity? And you know, Plankabas, you had the audacity. You really had the audacity to say, oh, this woman, the fool them look enough. Okay, great. Yes, they look enough. Yes, they look enough. Absolutely, Plankabas, they did look enough. But the question was, didn't you know she was already using the monies to do her illicit activities? You know, Plankabas, I'm pretty sure I heard one of the time you said, don't quote me, but I'm sure one of the time I heard you said, she forget some of the money. I'm very sure I heard that too. Very sure. Very sure. Guys, don't misquote me. Don't misquote me. Don't misquote me. No, I mean, I have to. You know why? Because I came out here so many times and I shouted, I screamed from the top of my, at one point I lost my damn voice. I'm like, this woman is using the people's monies to do her illicit activities. Imagine you got donations to feed misfortune people, but yet so you had the audacity to go and purchase a vehicle and had the nerve to say, no, them pitney buy me car. Which pitney? The ones who hate you, Erica? Erica, we all know your children despises you. They've always said the only thing that they have for you. And Erica, I can pull for Kim Fagan, Bobby Bentley, Yolanda Patson, Natalie Thomas, all of you who was over at Porty's page. All of you. Do you guys remember what her children said to her on that live? When I'm at Fiara? Wanna tell me? And that money, Dacia, is it Dacia? She used that very money for cuss out with Clad. Cuss out with Clad. Imagine Plank was giving this woman $500 to help assist her to she gave him $500 to help her assist her feed those people. And she even used that very money to curse. Not just me, not just Gracie, a lot of us. She cussed out with Clad and put only in money. Didn't you guys see something in this woman's mindset? In this woman's mindset was already fucked up. I'm sorry to use the word fucked up, but couldn't you guys see that her mindset was all about money, and more money? She cared zero about the people. She didn't care. Imagine your children don't love you. Your children don't love you. How on earth are you gonna survive? Oh wait, lad, God, I can venture into charity too, just like everyone else has ventured into charity. That will set me for life. For the rest of my life, that will set me. Porty, I bet you you didn't know this day would come. I bet you did not know this day would come. But I can assure you, that $12 million you scammed from vulnerable people on social media. Because let's be real, these people are up in age people. You know, I always tell people, I say, listen, people, protect your elderly family. Check in on them, because you don't know what exactly they're on here doing. They could be taking all of their monies and giving to these people, and you don't know. So check in on your families. I used to preach this in my old videos when I was exposing this woman for her illicit activities. Did you guys listen? No. You know why you didn't listen? Because you thought she liked Donegal. You thought, but she did not. She did not. She only cared about your money and even more money. That's it. Guys, please share the live stream. Please share the live stream. I want to hear some things. Me done talk. I am done talk. I'm tired of talking about this shit. However, Porty, I am not getting up off your neck. I swear to God. You could have come on and cuss Tom, Dick, Harry, John, Paul, Peter, Rasputin, Norbert, whoever. Cuss Harley One Girl. We are not getting up off your neck until you are brought to justice. This injustice will not be tolerated. You understand? And maybe this will be a domino effect for not just you, but for others too. You understand? The race is not for the swift, but for those who can endure it. That's what I was saying. I want them draw R by R. Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Guys, please, I'm asking you kindly, help me to get this video out there. This needs awareness. We need to drive this into our people's head. If you are Jamaican, if you care about our little island, if you care about our home country, I will do my damnedest to keep this very respectful, very respectful. If you care about our little piece of rock that has 3 million people on it now today, if you really care, I'm asking you, please share this live stream. Our people need to be aware of this type of illicit. And you know, funny thing, a lot of new charities have now popped up. My question is, what exactly are they getting? Because let's be real, a lot of them were popped down, like I'm gonna say, a pop down, pop right down, and now look at them living it up with your money, with all of your money. Wake up, my fellow Jamaican people. Please wake up. I'm asking you, for the love of God. I care about. You see me. I'm so patriotic to Jamaica. I love that island with all of my heart and soul. I swear to you, do not take my accent or the country I'm living right now. Don't take it at face value. My heart is where I was born. Jamaica, at the Natal Hospital in St. Andrew. That is where my heart is, the island of Jamaica. And if you share my thoughts, please share this live stream. We need awareness on this. We need to inform our fellow Jamaicans who's abroad. I feel like it's way too easy for these people to scam us, especially the ones who's abroad. And let's be real, a lot of you have to work so hard. A lot of times you have to go out in the snow, the sun, the rain, whatever weather it is, the cold, blitz, cold as hell, and you people have to fight that weather and go out and make your buck, 2 or 3 or 10 or 25, whatever. You fight the weather, you fight the cold, and go out in it to go make your money, only for you to come home and allow people like Angela Merchant and others to scam you. Is this okay? I've realized for the last couple of days when we've been talking about this video, you people haven't been sharing out this video. You know why? Because you don't want to bring awareness to this video. I bet you if it was talking about something like tea and chin, cussing out Donegal, run with it, and send unlucky. I won't stop talking about this. I won't. Dwayne, talk to the donors, because they are the ones have to wise up. Exactly. This is why I'm asking you to help me share out the video. We need to make people aware of this type of situation happening on our island. So please share out the video. Please. Let me do my part. Let me share my other pages. Let me share my other pages. 1 second. Charity donations has replaced Lotto. Right, Marcia, right, girl. Very true. And it's atrocious. It is unfathomable. Why do a lot of these people give up their work, their jobs? Because they know easy money, easy gains, illicit gains. Wake up, Jamaica. Wake up, Jamaica. Please wake up. Stop being naive. It is full time. You all wake up and put down your money for a rainy day. Shit, put it down for your children or your grandchildren's future. At that, Unafiado, start this up. And I don't care who I don't care who wanna leave. I really don't care. I don't care. I'm not stopping talking about this. In the meantime, let's only listen. Because I'm done talking. I'm damn well done talking.
Afternoon. Quick here, because I want to stay long. I spoke to an officer at the CIBC department in Portland. This is the department that deals with scamming, fraud, and whatever. The number to call is 876-322-9263. That's 876-322-9263. 876-322-9263. Now, when I called, this officer, there are certain other people in Jamaica that I got in contact with, but this department, they cannot take a third-party statement. They have to get information from persons who contributed to Erica's charity, okay? So, those of you who have been saying you want your money back or whatever, you need to call this department. You need to let them know that, look, you contributed to her charity because she said she was feeding the homeless, and you come to learn now that it is that she only been scamming people. When you call them, because